In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly crop an image using PaintNet, a user-friendly photo editing software that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're working on a simple project or diving into something more complex, knowing how to crop your images with precision is an essential skill that you'll find handy in many creative endeavors. To start, let's get Paint.net up and running. Open the software on your computer. You'll notice it's designed to be intuitive and straightforward with a layout that supports easy navigation. If you haven't opened it before, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This will make your editing process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now that we have Paint.net open, the next step is to upload or open the image you wish to edit. If you already have a specific image in mind, go ahead and load it into Paint.net by selecting File and then Open. This will bring up your file directory where you can locate and select your desired image. Once your image is open, we're ready to make some edits. Next, locate the Lasso Select tool, typically found in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. This tool is essential for selecting precise areas of your image that you'd like to focus on. Simply click on the Lasso Select icon, and now you're set to highlight the area you want to keep in your final image. Click and drag across your image to form a boundary around the area you want to crop. Remember, the lasso tool is flexible, allowing you to make curved or jagged selections that suit your creative needs. It might take a bit of practice to get your selection just right, so don't worry if you need a couple of tries to perfect it. Once you're satisfied with your selection, it's time to crop. Go to the Image menu at the top of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option Crop to Selection. This will automatically trim your image down to the selected area, removing any excess parts outside of your lasso selection. It's a quick and effective way to tidy up your image and ensure that only the parts you want are included. And there you have it. You've now successfully learned how to crop an image using Paint.net. This simple technique is a great foundation to build upon as you explore more of Paint.net's features for your future projects. Cropping not only helps focus the viewer's attention, but also enhances the composition, making your imagery look even more professional. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to continue experimenting with your graphic editing skills.